All right, so we've got another restoration project happening here. What this is, some of you may recognize the blade markings and the overall profile. I'm gonna see if I can get this on camera here for you real quick, but yeah, that's not wanting to focus. Oh wait, there we go. Can we see that? Yeah, it's a ForgeCraft high carbon. What these were, some of you, like I say, will find this blade shape and pattern familiar because it's. Why am I not focusing here? Well, it's very similar to the old hickories. And what this one's going to be, obviously, this is a protein slicer. It's a meat slicer. And this was a company owned by Washington Forge back in the day. These knives haven't been produced since the late 60s. And I would say they were available in stores, up until maybe the late 70s, just because they had done a big production run of them. And they had them in stock. But I would date this one probably around the 50s, somewhere in there. Now, it's in rough shape. You can see the handles are starting to detach, or have detached. So what we're going to do is pry these handles off, remove the brass, and then refinish all the steel. From there, we're going to see. I think I want to thin this out because this is most likely 1095 high carbon steel, and it will take a razor sharp edge. And it'll support a lean edge too. So I may wind up regrinding a new bevel on here. And we'll see what we can fit on there. Some nice handle scales, make the thing look nice and pretty instead of all old and ugly. So yeah, we'll see where we get on with it. Like some kind of playing it by ear. See where it goes. RDOT's a fag. Have a good one.